Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the door latch. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door latch. The main reason you'd be changing out the door latch is if it became damaged or bent and isn't allowing the door to lock or close. In order to change out the latch and remove the panel that's underneath, to do that, just lift up on the corners and make sure your cooktop lock's open. So we have to take out this inside panel to get to it. This part of it's a little tricky, but you got to lift the inner panel up enough to get it over this pipe, and so it's out of the way so you can get underneath it, but you're not going to take it all the way out. So you got to move these little legs and hold the top up and then lift it up. Make sure you put the panel behind the leg so it pushes against the leg and locks it in place. In order to change out the latch, we have to open up the door so we can get access to these two Phillips screws and take them out. Now that you have the screws out, we can take the latch out and disconnect the rod. Here's the old door latch next to the new door latch. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put in the new door latch, we have to connect it to the rod and then line it up and feed the latch through the hole in the body so we can put the screws in. The screws may go in a little bit tight because they don't thread them from the factory, so you have to drive the screws through in order to get them mounted. So if you can't get them in, turn a little harder. All right, in order to put this piece back down, make sure you hold up the top, push the hinges back around. Once you have it laid back down and the holes lined up, make sure that you lock these locks back in, and we're ready to put the screws back in. When we took these out, there was two different sizes of screws. The bigger ones go in the back, and the smaller ones go all the way around. So we'll go ahead and put the back one in first. Now that we have our panel back in place, we can go ahead and relieve the two supports and lower the top back down into place. Now that you're finished repairing your electric range, you can plug it back in and test it out. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.